There are many ways people ask us how we make our chairs, so this is one of them. This kind of skill is called rattan binding. It involves using split rattan cane, also known as rattan peel. So from the chair, this is how we manage to have the binding done. This is called rattan binding. It means you have to cover all the metal frames with this kind of material. So this is how we do it. It's for 4 chairs we are supposed to do from our client. So this is how you differentiate rattan binding from rattan weaving. I truly appreciate the engagement that I'm getting with you people. Would please urge you guys to like, share and subscribe. So after this, the chair will be varnished. Thereafter, we are going to make recessing cushions. Next on this is a certain pattern called 3/3. This is how we have it done on the armrest. Get to notice how it's done. It's a very simple design, and once finished, the chair looks very attractive. This is a special kind of an old pattern from the historical moments. Yeah, so there's a lot you can learn from our videos like this one. So this is how we have it done. This is only done on the armrest. Yeah, that is how we managed to have the armrest looking nice and beautiful. Yeah, so this is called rattan pattern weaving, one of our oldest designs that you can learn from. So thank you so much guys, and remember, we'll always be posting as we always do. Please like, share and subscribe. That was the end result of the chair. Thank you.